Good morning, everybody. As you can see, we're up in the wood hole again. I'm gonna cut a load of balsam for Bill. Yeah, get him some balsam so he can mix it in with that good Doug fir that I cut down for him, bucked up, and yeah, that way he'll be able to. His Doug fir will go farther. If he just needs a little fire, he can run it. He can burn this white fir. So that's what we're gonna cut today. And the butt piece will stay on this one, and then the next time I come up, I will. The next time I come up, I'll clean it up. I'll get it, and then and do a cleanup run where I won't have to fall anything. I'll just be bucking firewood on one of the videos that comes up. I left a top for Tazapalooza because it's really limby. And it's not big long limbs, it's just short limbs left on it. So yeah, so that's what we got going on, and hope you're all having an awesome day. Welcome to all the new subscribers. I appreciate it. I see you coming in. Rolling in. Here we go. See you on the stump. Taz XP 28-inch semi-skip square ground. Square ground on the square cutter square jig. Here's our tree. It's 130, 140 feet. I'm gonna try to show you the leans that it has. Okay, go up there. It leans that way, that direction. We're going through here. We're gonna go through this gap right here. See the gap right there? We're gonna try to go right through there. That's what we're trying to get it right down this road. Okay. Oh yeah, there's the famous Taz XP. In this angle, you can't see real well. It loops around. It's got a couple different sweeps in it, but that's what we got. That's what we'll be working with right there. That old beauty. Got this old 4-pound wedge banger on the West Coast saw wedge banger handle. It's a pretty nice one. 4-pound banger. It's a dandy. Nice and easy. Right there. Oh yeah. Bang! Ha ha ha! That's a nice one. Pulled lots of wood though, huh? But we left plenty of holding wood and tapped it over. I wanted to make sure that it was going to go easy in case I needed to get on the stump and try to get it to turn just a little bit. But we made it right through there. We made it right through there. That's a dandy. That chain cut's pretty good for falling. I haven't fallen with the Taz XP in quite a while. I kind of miss it actually. I love that saw. I love it. Now let's see what it does bucking wise. You know, cutting it into firewood chunks. And yeah. First let's go check for hangers. Being how we're going to be working here, doesn't look like anything hung up in this little tree right here. Nothing there. Didn't really bust anything loose in there. That's a good shot. That's a good shot right through there. If I would have went further that way, because it had to roll through these green tops right here to get going, and once it got moving, then it was heavy enough to continue. We didn't leave any hangers, maybe a couple up in that tree there, up in this one, in this bunch of stuff. It's dead limbs and stuff that are on the tree itself, but I don't think we left too much. Just some, you know, always keep a heads up though, because you never know, you might miss one here and there. Boy, that's a nice tree. Rakers might be a little bit high on it, but it's sharp. But I think the rakers are holding it back. We'll run it some more. The old 64 hasn't been in the wood hole in quite a while. Probably over a year, I would say. Yeah, but it's back. Back in action. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. This will be this is part one of this video. The next part will be of splitting. Yeah, so stay tuned for that one. Awesome. Like I said, I hope you're all having a great day. Chains weren't the sharpest today, but hey, we're out here, we're testing, we're tuning, we're trying, right? we're doing. We're doing, right? Yeah. Hey, there's some sunshine. Trying to break in here in my nice shady spot. Awesome. Well, I love y'all. Take care and be safe. And help somebody along the way today. TazMan is rolling. Stay tuned.